cube, and I'm gonna wrap it in 1,000 rubber bands, and I'm gonna drop it from 100 feet.
Okay.
What do you think's gonna happen?
I think if rubber bands are thick enough, it will survive and will just continue bouncing until it stops.
Okay.
I think it'll bounce and survive.
Okay.
Depending upon the thickness of the rubber bands and how high you drop it, it should survive. It should. Maybe the inside will break.
So we're all unanimous here.
Yeah.
It's gonna survive.
Okay.
Ooh, alright, let's see what happens.
Alright guys, so I'm here at the place where I will be dropping the cube, and I just want to show the cube that I'm using. So I'm using a Shengshao Legend, I think. It costs like $1.99, it's really cheap. So yeah, I'm just going to show that it's functionable. Here it is. Bands. So we have 2 packs of 600. So we'll see. I'm gonna try to put them all in the cube. If not, I'm gonna try to put most of them on there. So yeah, let's see how it turns out. Alright guys, so right now make sure to comment down below whether you think this cube will survive or whether you think it will smash when I drop it from here. Alright guys, so here's what the cube is starting to look like. It looks pretty cool. Alright guys, so here is the cube. We have put kind of a lot on them so far, but it's been about 10 minutes. But we still have a lot to put on there. Alright guys, so here is the finished product from 800 feet. So comment down below what you guys think will happen, if it will survive or if it won't. So yeah, I have a GoPro down there and a slow motion camera. Alright guys, so here it goes. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, I had a pretty hard impact. We're gonna go see what happened. There you can see guys, it's kind of rolling away. Yeah, so let's go see what happened. Alright guys, so you can see here's some rubber bands on the floor. I guess some popped off, but they don't look broken. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start cutting the rubber bands right now. Can you get angle of it? They're all snapping on me. Put the mic towards me. Look at that, guys. Oh. Alright, here we go. I'm still cutting them. Really cool. Alright guys, so now we are down to like the last 10. If you guys remember, we shot this. So yeah, let's check it out. Whoa, so you can see it took a pretty hard impact. So, put the knife down. Alright, so look at it. So here we can see a piece like flew out where it's supposed to be. Right there. So yeah, let's see if it turns. So we have this side that turns. This side turns, even though the piece is like flying out. Yeah. So let's try to mix it up and then let's try to do a solve. And it feels really loose right now. So yeah, let's try to solve it. Alright guys, so there we go. You can see that 1,000 rubber bands do protect a Rubik's Cube from 100 feet.